part 8, the wedding day workshop. Here I'm going to use the next few slides to add some photos I've taken at weddings and how I tried to capture the feel of the day. This one was a Thanksgiving wedding. It took place in a backyard at an Airbnb they rented for the occasion. It was a small event with just a few family members. I was probably only there for a couple of hours. I started off by taking some getting ready shots, most of which were staged. Some of the detail photos, then I moved on to the small ceremony. I grabbed some shots during the very short ceremony, and then I grabbed some of the family members afterwards. The next couple had their wedding at a venue in Round Rock. The original plan had been to have the ceremony outside and the reception inside, but it started raining, so the ceremony had to be moved inside. I grabbed some getting ready shots, detail shots, and of course, ceremony shots. All along, keeping in mind, I'm trying to tell the story of the day. This was an indoor church wedding with challenging lighting. The place where they had the reception was also a challenge. To put it plainly, it was kind of ugly. But I still went through my usual steps of getting ready, candids, the bride and bridesmaids, groom with the groomsmen, details, the rings, decorations, preparing for the ceremony, everyone walking down the aisle, and then the ceremony. I was sure to capture the groom's face while the bride read her vows, and the groom's face while she read her vows, the first kiss during the ceremony, the presentation of Mr. and Mrs., exiting the ceremony, and then the reception. This was an outdoor wedding at a beautiful venue in Temple. It's called Silo and Oak. I did the same things, getting ready, candids, bride with bridesmaids, groom with groomsmen. Again, details of the rings, decorations, preparing for the ceremony, everyone walking down the aisle, capturing the groom's face while, groom's face while the bride reads her vows. You just do basically the same thing. The first kiss during the ceremony, exiting the ceremony, and then the reception. Be creative too when it comes to taking pictures of the rings or whatever. They had this sign made that said their names and it had a heart in the middle. So I put the rings in the middle of the heart, but I usually do several variations of it. I love using mirrors also, as you've probably already seen and will see. So I am going to end this one here. We'll get back to the wedding day shot list after this.